Good morning and happy Tutorial Tuesday. This week we'll be continuing with the tour of our new website. We appreciate all your positive feedback and comments. We love the new website too. So let's get started with our education section. Please note that Clinton Savings Bank is not a financial advisor. Please consult with a licensed professional who can provide advice tailored to your individual circumstances. We know how important financial literacy is for all ages. That's why on our new site, we have an education center right here on the homepage that can take you to educational articles on everything from life changes, savings, budgeting, taxes, borrowing, and even retirement. If you select all financial fitness topics, it will give you an overview of each category. I know I can always use a little help when it comes to my budgeting, so let's see what we can find under the budgeting section. As you can see, there are multiple articles on this topic. Oh, spend versus save. We'll click on that one. Here I can find information on income and expenses, and it even has a pretty awesome calculator that you can insert your monthly income and your monthly and yearly expenses to find out your net monthly and yearly income. We hope you check out and enjoy this new area of our website. If there is a specific topic that you want to get more information on, simply click the Contact Us button on the left side of the page and let us know. And don't forget, you can always click on our logo at the top of the page to be brought back to the home page of our website, or you can select another option from the menu bar. We hope this was helpful, and we'll see you all next week.